So you might be watching this video in the ads, but if you're not, then I'm very lucky. So as you know from the title, today we're gonna talk about how to get views on YouTube. As you know, YouTube is a place where people upload videos of all kinds, be it children-friendly content or adult-friendly content, people upload that. But in this video, we're gonna talk about adult-friendly content because getting views on YouTube is no child play. So I'm gonna make your work a little easier by telling you how to get views on YouTube and show you how to execute all those ideas. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Number one, make videos on trending topics. You like D&D, you like chemistry, you like, I don't know, classical music or maybe country music, you like to make all of that. You have to put all those aside and you have to see what's trending. Be it a corny topic or a controversial topic, you have to choose from them and you have to make videos on those. But if you have an option to choose between corny topic or a controversial topic, you must choose the controversial topic because that's what's important for you and that's what's gonna get you views on YouTube, because people thrive on angry reaction, and the more controversial your stuff is, the more engagement you're gonna get on your videos. So it's that simple. If you see any chance to get on controversial side, you absolutely should do that so that you would be able to get more views on YouTube. Number two, don't forget the basics of managing YouTube channel. The basics that I'm talking about are those unspoken rules that you should keep in mind so that you won't miss any chance of getting a little bit of YouTube fan following. For example, you have to keep reminding people to like, comment and share your YouTube channel so that even if they don't want to, they will finally do that because of the pressure that you're putting on them. In another example, if nothing else is working for you, you should resort back to making prank channels. Those kind of prank channels which are borderline crime. There are many examples, but you have to keep in mind all those little things that you can do to get a little bit of YouTube fan following. One more thing that you can tell, if they subscribe your channel, you would give them gift hamper or something so that they would get a little bit greedy and they would subscribe. So yeah. Number three, be as fake as you can. In order to be YouTube famous, you have to be a little different, no matter how. So you have to fake it a little bit. In fact, you have to fake it a lot. The way you want to fake it really depends on you. I mean, you can do anything that you want. For example, you can fake that you're in a perfect mood, or you can fake that you're absolutely talentless and cringy. You can even fake about being a rich kid at a young age of 9. Really, you can fake anything as long as it's getting you to stand out from the crowd. Number four, fight with someone, but not really. What I mean by that is, if you're gonna be sitting in front of your camera and blabbering in front of the camera just like me, you're not gonna get any views. You're gonna bore people. So what you wanna do is find some famous YouTubers who will agree to pretend that they're beefing with you. That will result in a little bit of YouTube drama that you really need to get your channel going. It should look like you're really beefing that person, because otherwise people are not gonna believe that it is real and you will not create any YouTube drama. This trick has been used many times in TV and a lot of times in YouTube as well. So it will probably be best for you to do that. Number five, learn how to act and say sorry. If you're following my steps, chances are that you're gonna be under people's radar, and what I mean by that is people are gonna target you and they're gonna see each and every mistakes that you do. Whenever you're gonna mess up, they're gonna point at you and they're gonna call you out. So you must know how to act. You must know how to act and say that you're sorry, and you should know how to apologize perfectly without even showing that you're faking it. Now, you shouldn't apologize and take all of the blames at yourself, because this is a very stupid move. You should know how to indirectly put the blame on someone else in such a way that you don't sound that much bitchy or salty. So if you take all of these steps, you'll be getting YouTube views in no time. You are a stupid person if you think this is a real how-to video. Oh, and clickbaits, put lots of them.